to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering, well not answering, but like telling you guys some FAQs about my Microlocs. I just finished these yesterday. So that's what they're looking like. This is my second set of locks. My first set were like traditional locks, but I did maintain with interlocking, and I'm also going to be maintaining this set with interlocking as well. I'll show you my other set of locks probably over here. So let me scoot over here. I had 155 locks, and let's see, they were like pencil thick, I guess. I had them for 8 months, or 8.5 months actually. I would have been 9 months on April 7th, but they were already out by then. And yeah, I had 155, I have 456 right now. So 301 more in my last set. So my start date was on the 4th of April, and I finished on the 12th of April. So yeah, it took literally a week and like a couple hours. So yeah, it took a long time. My boyfriend and my boyfriend's mom helped me on my hair. So if they didn't help me, I probably would still be doing my hair until probably like Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. So I started off with 14.5 to 17 inches of hair. 17 inches of hair is on the top. So I'm trying to see if I can. Those are my longest pieces. And then the back was about 14.5 inches. Of course, they're not gonna come down all the way to what it was, because it's a little shrunken right now. So I'm not used to having my hair long at all, because my locks were so shrunken up and like right here. So it's very odd to feel hair on my shoulders, because I haven't had hair on my shoulders for like at least 5 months. The hair was touching my shoulders around month 3 of my locks, and then they shrunk. So like they were not touching nothing. Like they were just floating in space over here, okay? The products, well, I didn't use any products to twist or do these locks at all. I did, after I took out my locks, I started immediately on my hair. So let's see, what did I do? I wash and condition, wash and deep condition my hair. I use Hello Hydration, the, is that Garnier Fructis something? I think so. Hello Hydration, the shampoo. And then I use the Aussie Moist 3-minute miracle to deep condition my hair and detangle and stuff. And then after that was all rinsed out, I put in the Kinky Curlies Not Today leave-in conditioner before I blow dried my hair. So I did do these on blown out hair. So on that first wash, I have no clue what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be, I hope it's not gonna be too shrunken. But yeah, so I didn't use any products after using the Kinky Curly Not Today. I used that before I blow dried, and then blow dried my hair, and I twisted my hair dry. So yeah, my arms are very sore still. I literally was like this for like, you know, hours. So my shoulders were sore. I felt like I literally had worked out, so that was very funny to me. But yeah, that's all I have to say right now. Oh, I have some Microloc inspirations. So Tykar, and she was the first person I watched that had like very tiny Microlocs. And I watched her whole entire journey when I was my first set, and I was like, I want those. So her Queen Elaine, she has interlocks. She interlocks all the way from the tips of her hair up to her root, and she had like 17 to 20 inches of hair. And she has like 600, I think. It's over 600 locks. I'm like, wow, no. I was actually going to try that method, and I did my test locks, and I was like, no. One took like 15 minutes, bro. So I still would have been doing my hair, no. Cat's coils, she has like 480, I think. And her hair is gorgeously thick. Like, I thought she would have had more locks in her hair because her hair is so thick. I just can't. Yeah. So she started with twists too, and then she braided the ends as well. And then Miss Tanish, she was on YouTube for a while, and then she didn't put any videos up for like a couple of years, and then she came back, and her hair, she was showing her microlock process, so she was also an inspiration. But so I kind of took everyone's install and like created my own, because Hikara started with twists, and then later in her journey she told people that she would have braided her ends, so that's what I did with mine, so that it won't unravel, especially since my hair is like very soft. Cat's coils also braided her ends after she twisted, and then this Tanish, she interlocked her roots as well, so that's what I did. I interlocked my roots. Well, okay, let's say I twisted my hair, braided the ends like about, I can't really feel where it braided, but I don't see it. I'll twist from like all the way down. Okay, the right side. Then down is the other half is like a braid. So, and then when I got tired of braided strands together, I twisted the rest down because I couldn't. My hands were like cramping up from braiding so much. So yeah. So after I finished a twist, I'll go right in and interlock the roots. So I was interlocking my hair as I went along, except for in the back. Like in the middle sections, it was getting late, I was getting tired, I wanted to just finish already. So it was 3 sections. Everywhere else was like completely finished, like with the interlocking and everything, except for 3 sections. It was 1, 2, 3 in the middle of my head, and that's like the thickest part of my hair as well. So I twisted those sections at the very end, and then I kept going until that section was done. And after I finished my whole entire head, I went back and interlocked those 3 sections. So my hair is completely done. I'm very happy, and I can't wait to go along with this journey. I'm going to be making update videos probably every week for the first month. Or maybe every 2 weeks. So I'll probably have a video of my 2-week update, and then of my 1 month. So I'm going to be making update videos every month after the first month, if that makes sense. So I can't wait. I'm going to be filming like my wash day and my interlocking session if I can, and other styles I'll do with my hair. But I'm very excited. I love that like I still have my volume, and my hair is originally voluminous in general, but I was scared that's gonna look like a plucked chicken, and I do not look like a plucked chicken, so I'm very happy about that. I already said that I have 456 locks, so 4, 5, 6. I was trying to get 455, so it would be 300 above my last set, but I ended up with an extra lock somehow, and I didn't even know how that happened. But I'm so happy with my number. It's an easy number to remember, 456. So and I finished it on the 12th of April, so yesterday. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video. Come along with me on my journey. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle in the description and also at the end of this video. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please comment down any tips you have for me, any other videos you want me to actually do as well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.